Bunch of power cords. Hold on to those. Miscellaneous stuff. It's like a brake line. Or not a brake line, a brake cable. I don't know what that is or what it's for. Have to look that up. Bucket empty. It's kind of neat. Too bad it's not in better shape. Roll of plastic. Ooh. There were a lot of books in this house. That's one thing we find a lot of are books. And it's really hard to move them. We have a ton of them at our store. And people just look things up on Google. You know, they don't really care too much about books anymore, but I don't want to throw them away. I hate it. It really bothers me to have to throw them away. This is a magazine about Dale Earnhardt from 2001, April of 2001. Also says display until April 17th, but this would have been right after his death. It's a like a in memoriam of his life and things like that. So, you know, Earnhardt fan, NASCAR fan might want this. More Civil War books. More fishing books. More randomness. Cash register. Need to find the DC adapter for this and see if it'll work, because if it does, we're going to use it in the new part of our store. We have a salvage and thrift store kind of, and we're adding a gun shop. So some dust. So we're going to use this for the gun shop if it works. This is probably one of the most interesting things we found on this job. It's called a Eucalyptus. Condition's not great. It's really dirty right now. So I'm gonna get it cleaned up and just see how good it cleans up. Like I said, it's not the greatest condition. It might be, if I sold it online, $20, $25 maybe. But if it were in better condition, it would be worth a lot more. They're from about the 1920s, so it's interesting if nothing else. More books. Those fancy things for your windshield, keep your vehicle cool. On it, palm trees. I'll probably go on Facebook or maybe give it to my daughter. She's going to college next year, so we'll see. Brand new oil filter. Have to look it up, see what it's for. Be nice if it were for a vehicle I have. Antique razor. These are pretty neat. Not real valuable, but just neat. I think it's cool to find these too. This one's not extremely old smoking pipe. Pretty cool. Not gonna put it in my mouth though. This is kind of neat. That's a shocking find, but I need one of these for my house. It's got all the pieces, all the parts to go with it. So, pretty cool that I didn't have to go buy one. And having fun at the same time. some glassware, and it's like a candle holder or something like that. But that's the rest of that tote. All right, well, had to stop probably for the day. I don't know if I'll get back to it this evening or not, but I got to run to Walmart and pick up a mobile, not modal, I don't know what that means, mobile order that my wife made. We're in the middle of the coronavirus panic epidemic thing. You know, we're praying that it's over very soon and people get well, and you know, not a lot of people lose their lives to it. But yeah, we're just trying to be careful and doing our social distancing. So I'm going to Walmart, picking up an order. I do have to go in and get a couple of prescriptions. I don't really like that, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do, you know. But so we might be done for the day as far as sorting goes and going through boxes and things like that. I have probably another good 4 days worth of sorting and throwing things away and putting things to take to my store and putting things in a certain place to put on eBay and just a lot to do. My actual 9-to-5 job has me on telework right now, where I'm working from home because of this epidemic, and so hopefully I'll be able to get out in my garage and do some sorting once I get all my telework hours in on the day. Today's my day off, but you know, I really don't ever have a day off. I always have something going on. But this is brand new for me, so I'm just kind of playing it by ear. I always talk to myself anyway when I'm working, so might as well record it, right? So anyway, headed to Walmart right now. Hopefully nothing crazy happens. It's only about a 10-minute drive. It's not real far away, so see you later.